Hey, yo, boy, yo. Share the video. I want to spice back home.
Sister. Almost said, baby. You need to go in my bed. Okay. On the left.
Hey, yo, boy, yo.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're better more.
Share the video. Actually, watch me share the video. You get what?
And they like, kada, oh. Emini Omara, Rafimido. Me de cookie, I can't find me meteta, as you meta, oh, yeah, of Usen. Alabure of Usen. So, Bebo, Usen.
Share the video.
Mojiba o baba o kábíyèsí o bá wa kéde o ìbà o ṣìfọ́nìyà ọ̀fúnṣẹ́ pàtìkàjà ìhò tútù ó ṣeré bàbá o bàbá ẹ̀kúrọ̀ jù ìfàsọ̀rọ̀ wá ọ̀fúnṣẹ́ má ṣeré bàbá o bàbá àjẹsẹ̀ àbíṣọ́pù sára òní yéèpì bàbá o ṣeré òwe orí ìwé ṣèlú àwa máa rí ìwé Mr. Ọ̀sì Asama Mr. Ọlá sọ̀rọ̀ wá rẹ̀rẹ̀ jọlọ sọ̀ọ́sà òní o akẹ́wùsẹ́ o Mr. Kúlẹ̀jọ́ ohun àpẹ́ o ṣe ìbátọ̀rọ̀ mọ́rọ̀ jọ àṣẹrẹ bàbá o ṣe yàrá ṣèlú ṣe àwa mẹ́rin àkájọ ojú àgbàlá àkájọ ojú ẹ̀rẹ̀dẹ̀ àkájọ ojú ìṣòro.
Share the video, guys. Let's go there.
Quiero Osere Papa, Jibiaza of Usen, Edo Momodo, Asode Papa, Usen use Mojiba, we are the pillars of the kingdom. Osere Papa, Okedeso, Akeusen.
Share the video, let's go there. Hey, I look for you. Hello guys, share the video. Mami water this around this half market. Oh God. Hello? Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Water. Oh yeah, man. I want you. Obrigado. Share this video. Please, I greet you now with better time. I bet all the Usen Youth Association. Share this video. Come on, your sister.
The boy is black. Don't worry, mama. I beg, go sit down. I beg, go sit down, beg.
Isara waya.
Osenegia. Isara waya. Brother, I was saying no like that when
Isara ya.
I was saying begina.
Isara ya. Isara deleba. Ewa bigari.
Wa gbe ya mo si kwa wa mu.
Owo wa musara. Brother, unwe no nde. Isara unwe no nde. Brother, unwe no nde. Isara unwe no nde. Papa, what is spice life? Share the video. Share this video. Alright. Hey, are you boy? Papa, what is spice back? Anna Hiko. Okay. Hello? Hello? Me live video. Me live video. Later. Alright. Okay, kissy.
Even when I'm not, I feel me, I feel when I go near you. Baby, no way, I go near you. I go near you. I walk near you. I'm all I think you're not going to so. I don't know. I did. I don't know. I don't get big, I big. What I want to do, only don't get big, what I big. What I want to do, only don't get big.
Share the video, guys. I must greet you all with that's the water right here. Watch everything now. If you say I cannot spend money. This video particularly is for my community. Who said I get this video? I'm no way, congratulations. I'm no way, congratulations. 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 Congratulations, Nakonsieni. Here, when I swan, keep on the good work, brother. Omasiya Pateko. Awe Mama Asanian. Yes. Omasiya Pateko. Congratulations, congratulations. Oh, why congratulations. Watch that video and watch me. If you don't want to show it. Man, I want a platform now. I bought one now. There now. You understand? So you guys have to share this video. If I do saga, no, they see my video. I'm gonna share it. You understand? What's that video? You get what? To the video.
Mentally, me and you forever. My only, me and you together. Stay with me, honey. I'll stand by you, darling. We did together forever and ever. You don't be my yawo, cause so we got it all now. I don't be your darling, cause so we got it all now.
Share this video. After they play the video, share the video. What?
Saint George, hey yo, I see me do.
No, stop. Share the video.
Okay, see. I'm a yo. Who you make me real? All I want to say me oh. Ẹrù yẹ wo mi lórí Ọlọ́run ti kọ mi rè o. Ó ti pẹ́. Who yẹ pa mi lẹ́kùn Ọlọ́run ti ṣe mi o. Make we jo. Ọlọ́run máa ṣe.
Don't celebrate. Dance. just be talk. And then interpret. Oh yeah. Don't do one for me.
Ẹrù yẹ wo mi lórí Ọlọ́run ti hàn mí rẹ̀ o. Òun yẹ pa mí lẹ́kún Ọlọ́run ti ṣe mí o.
I don't want to drink. I want you.
Ayọ̀ mi ò máa jẹ́ o. Àsìkò mi ò tó rà mí o. Ìfẹ́ Olúwa ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láyé mi. Mo ti gbéra o. When people see you come to say your time don't go. Listen, your trumpet are just so. Those are the mocking before they want to rejoice with you now.
Alright, my people, I greet you all with better star water right there. Without wasting much of your time on this particular broadcast and doing this beautiful evening, I must say kudos to every one of you guys who are watching this video and who also share this video. Please, guys, as you are watching me, share the video. For those of you who doesn't know me, this is Victor UMENWAN, one of the universe, the social media king, the social media kubana, the social media otutunomono, the social media inwa, the social media akobisi, the social media box. Ruda era yanosi kakobisi erok by me moe baba with this man. I just do my drink. Yes. I want to say very big thanks to every one of you guys who are sharing my video. Please share this video. It is very, very important. Especially to the Usen youths, to the Usen Youth Association, to the Usen Forum. This video particularly, specifically, is dedicated to the Usen at large, both home and abroad. Usen sons and daughters, both home and abroad. Because that's where I came from. That is my home. You feel me? Now, you guys will witness what happened yesterday at my platform, this same platform yesterday. What happened yesterday, it was unusual. It has never happened before. You understand? Because they are where I go. You understand? Yesterday, because of DJ Wisdom Man, I said DJ Chris, sorry to say DJ Chris, and his wife, what they call, which name? Sandra, which is DJ Chris' wife, who went to Usen to go and report me, say me call her adulterous woman. Whereas there was nothing like that. I was after DJ Chris and Becky. Mommy, what was she doing? I don't even know DJ Chris' wife. I don't even know DJ Chris' wife's name. You understand? So I was so surprised to see DJ Chris' wife go summons me for Usen. Say me, call her adulterous, but say she sleep around matrimonial home. I already talk about DJ Chris and Becky. So they called me and it was a lot of controversy, a lot of bad books we are called. And after the live video, before the live video ended, I received a voice record that was not pleasant to me as a man. I'm not be small picking. I don't get wife and children for us. So nobody will threaten me. And don't be lie. I have to protect myself and protect my wife and family, my children. You understand? So the threat came in and the insult was too massive, which I could not play it on live video for the general public to hear. The same insult is still on my phone, which comes from Iyeyele of Usen, which is the princess of Usen, where they summons me for Asheran. So which got me angry and I reacted today to also react, which was never pleasant because the princess of Usen is the mother of all indigenes, sons and daughters of Usen, both home and abroad. So she has the right, she has the right to talk to who, as you are an indigene of Usen, she get that right, she get that privilege to speak whatever she want to speak. You understand? So, but because of me, say I called a verse and I was angry due to the Christ issue and Becky will come in and maybe part of answer in a very brutal and a very wrong way. that make me to violate the rights and the traditions of our land, which I have also personally, without no direction, without no force from anybody. Personally, when I sleep over and I think about the insult, and I also think about what I said, it was totally unacceptable as custom and traditions demand by the Usen people, rather by the custom of Usen land, which is against the rules. So I have to also make a public apology. But before now, I already make a private apology to the general public, especially to the princess, the Iyelede of Usen. You understand? So I don't do that one. I decide on my own to also comment, because now social media now for insulting. Because she have never spoken to me till now. Before she go talk to me say Yahweh live video, Yahweh apologize to the I also have to do that because why? Me, I be man will be say I know what to be tradition. I know be Julie just come or inside tradition issue. Despite the rubbish people they talk about for social media. But I know what it is. I know what is time. And that's the reason why I came out categorically myself today in my own to let the Usen sons and daughters, the Laure of Usen, the Oligo of Usen, the Olia of Usen, the Aigbe of Usen, the Iyelede of Usen, to tell you what I UMENWAN, I am sorry. Please, temper justice with mercy. I am very, very sorry. Oh, Bonaya Boyoma, I will ask you. I am Usen. I am the son of Usen, the son of Iyelede, the son of Oligo, the son of UMENWAN, the son of Edenokboku. I am also saying, I am sorry. From the depth of my heart, I say sorry to all sons and daughters of Usen worldwide, both home and abroad. I, your son, your brother, your friend, say sorry. If what I said yesterday on social media, before the Chris came out and said it was a prank, offended all the sons and daughters of Usen worldwide, I said, make no verse. Wahagui, Emma Binu, Ejo. Please, I am sorry. Among alemi, Emma Binu. Untemi folana. Moti memo. Ejo. Iyelede, iyemi wulwo. Uwe yemini. We yok bomai. O what bomai. Watu jeni ngini. O mami weli you e you. Uba tu di nke kasi mi lodi. What dem say ah. O mami weli you. E mak bo. E mami o. E po me de o. Yemi ejo. Iyemi wo. E ma binu. Oligo. Chief Oligo of Usen. E ma binu. Olia of Usen. E ma binu. Ejo. Agbe of Usen, Fosa, Osuma, Emma Binu. How many people have we mentioned their name? They took plenty. I not mention all names. The little way I think gave my brain. Now I talk of. I agree. Can you say you cannot say me? I agree. If you don't soon know that. I agree. In my only do I explain. I wouldn't do I explain a talk back to my woman. Oboreya Boyama, I will ask you a kegby. I agree. Or you working, or you say him. Or you went with him, or you had to look with him, or you side him. So, I agree. Or you are in Ladian with Tana. If they busy scene, Ini wa so when away before case one live any nyai ni ka we video na ni. Wala ho oyebo ya we ko wa. E bi send ibu ya mo zebe bi no sunura e no egbe kagbe. Wala ho. E mo fun iyan me la ho. E mo na me na we do ni enia una we e san oso asan we e ni o si emire. E ba me do enia we if you send ibu regbebo. Me dokpa no a video that they are apology, you have a video of apology to all Usen sons and daughter. Wa magbo kedere na ko wa lele me. Iyawe video na atian sen wa share me. Iga atian sen ni mekere wa share wa ge me. Igi do fi nu gi Usen ya wa ya na ran fun wa. E bi no gba o. Na gba ma a le ro wiye. Ora iga to ge no madasen. None of you guys watch me apart from Kako and one other woman in my Nike no Spain. Kako and Nike no Spain. No watch a video when no see the our live video. When Nike why I go you send here when the boom go say what no bame. I was shocked. When the boom was one I call even know the other from America, from Canada, from Japan, from enemy. You say I got see. So what he met. Wa share video me wa ma oni me yin si wa ma oni la goda o ori se be na orian me ga mi na finu gi yele de wa ya na so ati wa finyi me wuri kunda wa me nwa obo ye pe o na gba ma a na ro bije a na ro bira aron pa fe we bo se agboya yeye e la se fa na kaka bok mo mu wa ina we ya se na me yin wa ko no ru warion no ya yegbe kan no sunu no de oyebo we ho wa mu fa emi loba ori mu ba oyebo we ho gba ge sunu wa le gui from the depth of my heart I say I'm sorry. I'm not forced even this is what I decide to do. All my forced even all my give a convincing me all double way all my cook me webo. I am a man of my own ways. I decide what to do and know what to do at the right time. If I made a mistake, I will apologize. Because why? Nobody's above mistake. What I've done is wrong. And that's why I say I'm sorry, especially to the Iyele day of Usen. Nipe voice record again. We you be me as ye or me right no yaro even not more to yak be. But for me to play that voice record is totally disrespectful to the entire Usen worldwide. Just not only to the EA to the entire sons and daughter of Usen. And that's the reason why I came out categorically on my own to tell the Usen children, sons and daughter, home and abroad, grandmother, grandfather, that say, I am sorry. Oh, you were here. That's this way why I agree. Let me be called. You something now. Ima Billy, I must greet you. What? You don't like or any more speaker? Okay. 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 Yes. Okay. Okay. What? Whenever you are trying to love you, what you come in, you make an ass, you know, smooth. Oh, no, not that way. Yeah. Hotel. Yes, now I'm understanding now. It wasn't no memory speaker, but I'm making now. Yes. No matter you be, my beloved, no matter you be. Too much. I remember here now. Oh, certain name yeah. Oh, we are here with them. 7 number where. We call it, but I gonna work calling. I gonna boy you be. We are here with you. Emi like what they where. What up? You can be young. We are there with the gun. Well, with the cow. Don't be like, wow, what, let's see. I must greet you. Yes. Kakabona, huh? Also, no, yes, no, be like, huh? No, be like. No, be like. Wait, yeah. We'll see. You say. I say. You say. We'll see. Oh, we give you said when you say my man. Because you need to keep up with them. What's up? You know we not keep up with them. Yeah. We'll see. Exactly. You got why some know then why you be can't be why you lose guard. You understand? Why you lose guard. So that's the reason why I have to apologize to the house. Yeah. Kakabona. Exactly. Yes, now. Yeah. Yes, now. You know, you're going to the matani. Umenwa. We'll see. Wato. When you are American, what if I go can't on in Where I mean, we are calling that be me. Him make him was sock. He was blood. Now, ma you be even I give you chance. It's too much. What off where we yellow you. The most I must greet you. What up? Oh, I must to tour right here. You don't know anyway. Now, why we? We are also know them. But I live with. He let the law go you know give. Iye wo if you say you have a no second on me. Allah would that wa me. Wala wo. Kemi ni rita. No son wa. Ba ga ego obi wa hin. Obo kan ho ogo no nwari bae. Bodo ya gbo ye won abe ya se kegbe. Oyibo ya we ko. Wala o. Ime na wu be de na. O wa hin aga wo bi sun wu we boa. Is it a proudness? No. It's not a proudness. Waka no muda yi meye ke hunda we ran ye ke ga he. Omo agbesi onyemi ase bi bioyi. You understand? O wa magboma o isetin wa ni meye ke ko. Wa ke no muda yi meye ke. Wala ho. O yi menu menwe la jade na. Ima la jade we video that is almost working you menwe. Yes. O we ke na ni ge ni lagi. E tegbe mu. E ti tegbe mu. Nunda we Akpologbera wa arun pa wo wa to wa musi Usen ni pe wo alawoda wa mi mo ja ima mo ja lo fe o wa ato ebi na gbon mo wa gbe o wa ato if you wen won ke no se ke no na me ye de no poku if you isa wa ya ato ebi na gbon mo wa gbe ala kewi no sunu de When you boy a wake up, why I get son wa? Hello? What talk by you logi? Real life video. Yeah. Okay, man. Asel. Okay. El speaker. It's the speaker.
Okay. Musengede an leo. An ka leo. An agbaye luli. An yeye luli gede. An wakinga o. An sere. Ana. Ugbayi video iyawari yun. Awagedo gborile akafo. Ene kai no yobari for ekpiji o ma yori for ekpiji afọ akabe ota for kesunu so ma eye awagede elule oye lona awagele binu hin for jike ti se ben hi awagwe hin bet ben yo deri yen an agbagede ye de libe ye de lusin an yeye le de iye wani na ye da popo ye he kun ibe ye ti fo na oba for to almost to say ni na dajo awagedo binu hin bet nevertheless and for ya mu pomane onwe de mu famane woli ben yo de wire beijing dajo mi yemi go for mo de for yo pe o an ajo da gbo be ke de pe ari de gbo o ma kan wa re iba kan yi kan bi wa gede ibe ye gbara lo ifo we si baka e we tije kan ajo be yo de beijing e we gele fi agbolo la for yaya se o po ni o mo po gin ani o ta wa ka yo e de ojo iye ti kalawo e de yo tori iye wa ni ibe ye afara to eye gbe afọ wa go un yo sunu luse egun yo sunu ogun ye sunu ohun etiri un fo wa de yo muse ewe tete sọ̀rọ̀ na ewe de so gugun da ko ni ewe so gugun da ko ni ene ye fo wa go un so gugun da ko ni so muse yo muse
Exactly.
dajo be ya gede de mu goluli be ye mu goluli ye de mu go lona dajo da de mu ma une da de ba wa be ye wa awagede de apeye wa da wa ye de be un ije wa ni o mane onwe ba ne fo oba eyo nile aya enwe yo obo fo awon ma enwe yo obo fo ene mu lo de your try but be ya de ri won fo wa go be yi de ni dajo da wagede da wa de ba da wa de di oti da wa de ba un be ene yo ba se un ya de bo gwi fo un wo se ye pe ama fo un wo se ye gele pe o ma iye ni dajo bra frank wo ri yen wo lu music te abu mi kan hen o gba bo wa de ka lu o mu se kan wa re we understand wo ba de ka lu music e we lu music adogede ijo wo ba de ro wa de lu wa le to feel happy.
Exactly.
We understand awon ma de yan ba de won ba de ha awon ma de yan lola Ọlọ́run won ha yan to ye de ta ye de ne double
Yes, sir.
abundantly and ori ero meji yan gbe wa ye do Ọlọ́run ba lo gbon do di o ti yan lo han do di o ti yan lorun o
Sir.
ti yan ori ye gbo agbado ma gbo do han wa
Sir.
o de di o ti yan kan de la be ye de gbo se yan all over the world tawa gede di atayo ni na
Sir.
we da gbo
Exactly.
da ajo mi je ni ajo awagede aye de ape awaye de ape ye wa awaye de amuma tawaye de
Sir.
da ajo an agba ajo
What's
atale o akada an pope o
What's the name?
o han bye bye wa asipele o
What's the name? What's the name? All right, my lovely people, I say a very big thanks to every callers who have called on this platform today. This is Baba with a smile. You understand? Me, myself, I don't fuck up. Big fuck up. Not be saying shoot bed marron. This one not be saying proudness. You understand? Because I mean, when no ma keburi, nobody fuck me from heaven. Now, person born you. You understand? No matter what it is, you must give respect to the home where you for come from, to that roots where you for generate from. Me, I'm not a big they beat my house. Anybody waiting for this media, I'm not a big for this room where I did so. People don't fuck me up big time. I don't rent apartment for this room, 2-bedroom flats. Where BC they lose guard me 15 days they give me. Police come pursue me for house. Give me 15 days to leave the room where they pay put every month 450 euro. What's they want to do? I bet I can't house for a hand. I don't want to come and call a beat up because now here I see day. Now they say room I day. I don't let you said in a You understand? So I don't feel to beat my house. So this is my own home. This is my origin. This is where I'm grow up from. Every time for live video, they say, I am from Usen. You boy, I go more Usen. You know, by soon. I'm not honest in the Yamu. As far as I say, I'm from Usen because why? That is my roots. So if misunderstanding come, or man in the near web, as far as social media, they don't go any other yapata. I ask them to comment on social media and say the way it is. Where I am sorry to my lovely family. Egbemenihi, Owamenihi. You know, really are here. Omomi kuomi, ejejo. You understand? This is my home. No matter what. Before we go on issue inside house, let me first of all come on media to let Nano say, I am sorry, the public apologies. Now me go decide I'll give the punishment to give myself first. Discipline myself first. Omo no enegbe. No when you fuck up, you know, why mukba mugo de no way, even no magba. Uto boy ya, we no keke. Omo na way, yari no yawo. I decide to ignore live media because a live video normally. When you let the call, when marketing more live video, if I may not fuck up, you understand? Or my can need more live script, live video that yesterday, which nobody has ever done that. It has never happened before. Then I try, which is big fuck up. Which after live video, I can't realize I fuck up. So I have to come out on my own to say, I am sorry. I am sorry to everybody, every sons and daughter of Usen. I agree. From me, sincerely, I said I am sorry, which is not supposed to be done. You understand? Yes, my eye don't clear. Anyhow, I'm talking, I agree. I accept. Any someone agree for platform, no problem. Where it cannot do or going to be away. Well, I agree. For your boy, I will go. If you say a fake, no second or ramen, either you video or apology, no what. Well, no, I agree. Because I'm still going to come back live again for my normal topic. But this particular one, now from Usen, not for another person. I don't want to add any other topic or another issue to this video. I am dedicating this video to Usen people home and abroad. The loud of Usen, I am sorry. Whatever I say that got you angry, I am sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'll be your son. I'll be your brother. I'll be your pikin. I'll be your guy. Anyhow you want call on, now I'll be, you know, if you wash me out of Usen. Because the blood they in me. Almost muri. You understand? So I am sorry. I agree. No listen. You need no son wa. Or boy I will. I'm sorry. So I want to say a very big thanks to all the Usen sons and daughters in the diaspora at large that have been calling me, because a lot of course, and I know many of them not call me because I don't do this house, I don't go outside, I don't come for house since I just enter house. So as I enter, they see many minutes calls. You understand? So which I don't one of first I don't pick up. Why I agree. Anyway, I get my own policy. Give her the pick or reach. Yeah, a lot. I pick a code. I told my own. So I decided to make up my mind to comment on public. Juliet Agari, I don't know what's your name. That comment, stop him. Data on Logero, I might have this one a video now, or if you don't know what to write, get the hell off my platform. You understand? I don't they drink, they never burn you. I don't they drink, they never burn you. This same drink, I'm not using a for side if I want to come from Libya. You understand? So if you don't know what to write, take a big foot out of my platform. Not let me change it for you because I'm not that happy. You defend me so. That is for that. Respect to you. I don't want to insult you. You understand? Because today is not for insult, it's for apology. So don't write any stupid comment. We're not going to make me go and insult you. Because the way I did my mouth is full of prophecy. And it's full of authority. If I prophesy, it will work. You understand? Because I know who I am. So please, I just gotta beg you. If you're my fans, know what to write. Don't write any stupid comments that will trigger my anger to vomit my prophecy on you. You will not like it. That's me for you. I know what I'm saying. This is. You understand? You understand me now? Yeah. I don't mind drink. What already? So please, this is DJ Chris. Hello? What talk about you? Hello. Off work, we got a live video. Okay, then is last speaker. Last speaker. Let me put it on speaker. Okay, already last speaker then. Yeah, already last speaker.
Hello, call Jima Lemo Mio.
Lemo Mio, where? Leye mi, uwe leye mi.
Leye mi o leye mi egui. Leye mi o obi wegwan iji meto boy obi la gure ogusen o bije meto boy. Obu kame obi sele no odo obi ede to bobu kame hi odo tiezo obu kame bere manula woje. Nu ya bo kemi ya fefe. Muyabo owa mayahi nula woje deni be munde obukameje no rita ma wenu yabo kimi ya fefe
leye mi ye mommy owiye teta ye magita mommy la wowo ya be tie we ya be gige bere ovie deme be hin la wowo ye la iwa vi wo meji gwe la mommy la Ewopa maya kere magizun wokpale omekeri madwa otegbima la wowo ye la igweme waruto ye la wowo la yemi la ye la
what off with me.
Mabokamo boy pa okpa mo ya fi me boda
No wala.
Okay
What
DJ see you one love
no shiki what
bye bye okay.
That's DJ Chris and his wife. Now do public apology story ye there of Usen. Iye Emma Binu Ejo. Iye wa worry. On my worry Ejo. Obona yagbo yo ma ya sekegbe. Yo boro yagbo ayo bi yo ya sekegbe. You will see unamumusha aya your time is off on this platform. Ciao. Here Zekbe. Do we ever respect any family do we carry? My respect any family makiri. You understand? And that's the reason why I categorically came out on this evening to do video to apologize to my family. You understand? If you don't love your family, I love my family. When I will have a yeki, gahi. You understand? In have a yeki, gahi, when I will sansa and we yeki. So that's the reason why any rude stupid comment I go block you. And let this one be the first and last. I don't even want just now. Why I've been rubbish you now? A platform and I've been rubbish. If you are not for here, take a walk. You understand? And I want to also say a very big thanks to DJ Chris and his wife and his family. They also came out to do a public apology to our mother, and to the Elawure of Usen, specifically the Elawure of Usen, the Oligo of Usen, the Olia of Usen, and all the chiefs of Usen. I want to say a very big thanks to you, and I'm very, very sorry for everything that happened. Hello? What up? Yeah. Honey. What's here? Oh man, yeah, what is here? You block it. You block it. What? I greet you. All right, my lovely people who are right here. Now we go. A video many characters seen. A video is for the Usen people home and abroad. This is Mr. Kako. Baba Kako Ketiri. What talk well?
Hello?
Many live video.
Okay, mean a woman, say woman,
Mama.
Okay.
Let me be many live video. Speaker.
Yeah.
Eli speaker.
Okay, best speaker. Me to me na he no.
Okay.
Enquête en calé ou.
Calé ça.
Ale ba wa le yewa. E Frank o ma wa ni. Wọ́n yo se. Ofo yo fo la na ogele don o don mu sankete ni. Ero yo ti pe mi yoran yo mo ba ti se mi ti kala wo mi ma da pe ino ba e kede ifo. Ta sese gbe no ba agbe mi. Im ne follow right from lege okpe but this time I made them bori owo dan ajo. Owo amupo mane. O me mu owo abamupo mane me de mu fa awon wo li dan ajo awa o mu sin tori itepi an ati send e ya mi mo ti reti ti yeye le do ti fofo mu pe Frank ke o makan o mu sin kan o me de je won ni o me je Frank ye le
Live video.
Ikini yi ke live video yi ke o asoli ule meti o meti se ni
Yeah.
Ó bá mú àwọn amúsìn nùkàn mọ́ àdíyà pé máa kọ́ músìn méjì máa rè ní èyí ọmúsìn máa ní àwa ọmúsìn wẹ́ gbára wá ẹ̀ta kásẹ̀wọ̀n èyí ẹ̀kẹ́ máa kọ́ ya ọ̀fọ̀ yìí mẹ́ẹ̀fọ́dún wá ẹ̀rín gèlè àfọ́ ètò ẹ̀rẹ́ yìí ọ̀nà músìn live video yìí mí pọ̀ ti àsìn díẹ̀ yá mi dáhà jọ yeye lẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ iye wa kété ní gbóhó mànàwé ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ wọ́n àpapọ̀ àjàkálù Olúwa ó máa lẹ̀ wá lóṣẹ̀ ni ẹ̀dẹ̀ yẹn ní ẹ̀yẹ́gbẹ̀dọ̀ ju ẹrú ẹ̀yẹ́dẹ̀ ju ẹrú yẹ ó méde ti gbọ́ rí lọ́wọ́ àmúbí mi lọ́wọ́ mò ń wáyé yìí akẹ́nẹ̀ kan á ju ẹrú ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ẹni ó bá dáhùn ó dìrò ọmọ adémojì pé òun ẹ̀fọ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀gbẹ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ yújọ wọn àkó agbẹ́rù yá abẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ abolúwa èyí ọmọ sẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ yẹn ní ilé yìí lẹ̀kan yẹn ní ìgbẹ́dọ̀ dáhùn Frank àbá àti fọ́fọ́ yìí afọ yìí wà á já ẹ̀ mà ṣé wọ́n ti gbọ́ ẹ̀ onú ìyẹ̀mú já ẹ̀ mà àwọn àgàjẹ́ àpè ẹ̀ ó sẹ́ àpè ẹ̀ àjẹ́ àwọn ìyẹ̀mú já ẹ̀ mà ló amú já ẹ̀ mà lẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ibi ó yẹ ìwé tí a já ẹ̀ mà Frank wọ́n ti gbọ́ ẹ̀ tó rọ̀ fọwọ́fọ̀ ẹ̀ torí àwọn àgbà ti gbórí ọ̀rọ̀ hìhùn wọ́n dà sáàdì mí ẹ̀ sọmadé mẹ́sìrè lòdì kó nòdè o àríyá ọ̀nòdè líná ní wọ́n ti gbọ́ fọ̀ mí ẹ̀ bọ̀ mi ṣé wọ́n dà sáàdì mí àwa ayọ́mú sẹ́mu ògì tèpì yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ yeye lẹ́ẹ̀dọ́ mú kọ́ fọ̀ tó ti fẹ́ bá ẹ fọ̀ níkẹ́ àmàmí ọmúsọ́músẹ́ máa rè ní àmà já wẹ́dàgbọ́ utuli wọn náà ẹ̀ ti àfọ̀kẹ́dẹ́ mú fọ̀ ní and lùsẹ̀ Frank wà bear in mind that about say go carry you to okay 150,000 about that way one about that way te wa and about ti jare ego te de return ni no ugba abo about okay ego nga yen ni tie with that boy at the return ni nga understand awa yo muse eye de wa o te ero kete beru e de ni awa na usen ke di aboke ni awo o ma no we bonore wi yen to any we mean ya we understand you buy the ti do wa when you concern the social media yi temi na dey stop we ni ira social media to him will social media da me he to bo he gbo for nganu kada he gbelu oju e de eni o ba down eminent kala wo me momu ma sa party say you never dey see first and last to mo de carry oran an di mo fi lu gba ya me loke ofo agbe wa I see the way you quench it that time wo mo de quench it I know of these things with that boy what to da ma jo egboran be yan ti mu o ma le yan ko ale le lado da ma ju to se lo wo won bring everything that lu na me to bo 4% with that boy be wo for hen who said to gele mu se pride ni to wait for no ba de fall be wa ke ma yi emi karawo be rin won understand oma I want more time neck baby. With that boy, then Joe, almost a lully, ye lot na ye leg, a little boy libicate, now Joe, they want my forgive Franco. Franca Jaima, you hear the Mujama, Obatise, Adase Wasson. I'm a Joe, then it forgive you. Nitikala will make my trap. They defended me, pussy, you let the lot to but me your contact here. Walk or lie because the lie, busy. Oh, Nitikala will me that you move with fact, they never will leave in. Down there, Joe, or I'm up man when they move out. Wọlé ni o dáadáa ẹjọ òun yóò dẹ yẹ ìfúnàkásí àmújá ẹmà torí ọmọdé jìbà dìbà pọ wọn máa jìbà o. olùkọ́ àyà ṣe wá lọ́hùn àyà ṣe wá lóru tòní dẹ̀ lọ olùkọ́ àyà ṣe frank náà ọkọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa gbé lù ú ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ pọ̀ máa tẹ́ tètò ọmọ àìsè ni iná bá dẹ̀ bí iye wa àwa dẹ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀ yà wá mú bí iye wa fọ̀. Iye wa de nítorí iye ro ni ede iye ọmọ kété ni ede ti ebino ana ejo ifaki wa ja e ma oni be mu je o so ba de ye ni won ja e ma oni be ye ti se wo gbo won yo ye wa se lo li wo ti gbo emi ne ma try do de mi bu se ye wa lola wo gbo frank rojo o aso li me ti ro ni o gbo aso de arolo de puli me yi mare ni o aba pa lo de puli me hawa ni o frank ojo Usen enemu se o ajo eni o wala o ajo mo ti gbo eni my brother wo gbo ma yan pe later o ba ti finish live video wo gbo asan later
I appreciate it.
Okay.
That's Mr. Kako of Spain. Wato. Oh, aya wato nala obona gboyo ya sekegbe. Muda we de we rin aya siemeta. Talogbe ado talo magoyo mo. Understand? Waya wato. And video now is for especially that's why I say it's a message to Usen people. The video now is for spread to my community, so it's not for many talk. You understand? It's just for apologies. To apologize to the all Usen sons and daughter home and abroad. You understand what I'm saying? Based on what happened yesterday concerning the me and the issue that occurred yesterday, which a lot of indigenous, majority of the indigenous in Usen sons and daughter was not happy when that video come on here, which is not supposed to be. You understand? So please, you guys should temper just stay with Messi. Oh, that's all right there. I greet all of you now with better style. So I will leave you guys now, and I'm still going to come back later for more updates, because updates plenty for my phone. Go be see and never blow. You understand? So I first for me, I first solve my own issue, my own problem for us first, because I ain't mad why you why mama I upload Ugbo, my house not fit on fire. Go be see I they come live video call they give an update. You understand? So I have to solve my own problem first before I talk of people problem. I mean the problem may be my go can my gbe ya so mo etume ya sun my gbe tunu me ya re clip ya gbogere. That's the reason why I have to face up my problem for no verse. You understand? I know I live fake life. The way I have been in my life. If I get any issue, I will talk on live video. If I wrong, I'll come and apologize. That's me. If you say hey, they fear, no problem, I agree. I they fear. Oga, I hear you. But what we're doing is what doing well. I have to do the rightful thing as a man to protect my own family and my own life too. And my own fans that are following me too. Because I did today, they talk to you. That's why you say, I'll be my fans. If you not see me for live video for 1 month, you will switch. You understand? So for me to always be punctual, communicating with you, I have to protect my home. Solve the problem I have home. Before coming on social media for live video. You understand? I greet you all with better style. As you all know. Call Damian Pico. Hello? Hello? Well, I'm in real life. Real life, you need to real life now. Okay. Me I put on speaker. Okay, me I put on speaker. Okay, I hear you. This speaker.
I don't hear say word because I go get my wife phone to tell the stick to the other side. I don't know now.
Yeah.
You are spoken well.
Alright, thank you.
Which really should say no, get a speaker never.
Alright.
Which you have really spoken say you know where they come from.
Yeah.
Then where many people miss out. Sorry to say.
Yeah.
Many people miss out for life because they don't know where they come from. Because if you know where they come from, if you make mistake, you need to run back home to apologize, say wrong way I did.
Yeah.
But I will not be the head of all Usen. I know my brothers, my sisters, they don't talk since. They don't even speak our language. They explain which many people don't understand. I want to see for comment section. Say may they do Usen saga or whatever. The truth remains the same. You are blessed.
Thank you very much.
And I will still plead with my brothers and sisters. Whatever you said, may they forgive you. From my own bottom of heart, you are forgiven. Despite I don't know what you talk.
Yeah.
For you to come out and apologize publicly, you have done well to apologize.
Thank you very much.
I believe, especially my first sister will speak since that one when that one now called the whole say, I don't tell you like me no year one and I'll leave you a year.
Well, you said you said you said what I lay you put up. What you said, but I lay you.
Appreciate that, but look, I hear a submission. So I understand what she try to talk.
Yeah.
So I appreciate her. So my brother, you are blessed. Only say witness I want by rubber come give you now, so I know by the rubber give you. So the market me say no rubber back for you again.
No, Allah. I know what you go back. I will charge you what you go back.
We don't forget.
I will go give you bill. You know me now. I'll be your son now. I'll give you bill. If you want, kill you.
Because they forgive you.
When I mean, all you want. When I mean, you
Because we forgive you. I'm going to pay the more not forgive you again.
No, no, forgive you. Dollar we hear feel me. Make it do fancy. Wake you kick banana America. Dollar we hear lo di me pants. What? I appreciate you, bro. Mama, you be.
Man, you are blessed. You are blessed.
What's the what?
I appreciate the broadcast.
Thank you very much. God bless you, bro. God bless you, bro.
It is well with you.
Mama, you be.
It is well with you.
Thank you very much.
And God will increase you from 1,000 to 1 billion.
Amen. Amen.
As my name be.
Thank you. That's in my billion.
So you remain a billion, okay?
Ah, thank you very much. Wesley. Thank you very much.
Take care, my brother.
Yeah. All right, my people, I greet you all. We better start our right there. Please, I said I'm sorry. From the depth of my heart, I will still continue to say, who send people home and abroad? Why are boy? Why are we? If we came in really, we know son who are. If we need to return on son who are. Can you tell? Can you matter? Can you tell? I said I am sorry. Why boy I will call. Boy I will call. Why boy I will call. I am sorry. From the depth of my heart, I said I am sorry. Why boy I will call. Why are we? I have more than it. Maybe. Why boy I will call. You understand? I want a fool. If me so, are you working? I'm now. I'm give me babu nanya. You understand? So a criminality we may be wrong. How the fancy we didn't way can without wrong we right go no when we right when I won't give up. So that guy where I am one fool, you understand I'm going oh I want to give you return on some work or boy I will call. Come on one movie video. When you use against me or soon with the Neburuwa. I don't know what you have. Any of my fellow presenter, I will do my video now. Ni me ya apologize ni biabo me. Ni do ya robi ye, ba boga live be. E do no wo fa wa, me tell you aji. Because why ani bungware money. If you know magwa na ga o. Detiti asi wele, we no wia, we no na, igbe aga. Wa guy, wa show e. Now because I'm doing a public apology to my own community, when a book sequence ogbu wa gbe abi o ma nu wa ga e wa on wa deity no one na death to you there a video na me apology now you guys refuse to share wa ron yin we wa gume ga e o e mo ni aga e mo ni de video na dey useful to yin aga ni mami wo no ma aga e no do fian gu wa bu we what do fian gu wa we ya che bo ni wa da che bo ni juwa wa asun gu de no robot menu me wata any live video presenter blogger no go do fian video na we ni eno yaro vira bi ye wa boga live for national history if you women I apologize to if you women your friend Usen ya as a whole the day of Usen worldwide home and abroad me good gwani ha in short you can ni gori gwani ha yen no matter